Okay, so hello everyone. We are done with the tail function in my previous video. So this is all about the sick function. That is what I'm writing over here. Hashtag sick function. And 2 points which you all have to remember when you are using the sick function method in Python. The point number one is we can use the sick function method to move the cursor, means your file pointer. If you are interested in moving your cursor to a specified location, then you can use the sick function. Okay, and for this it requires two parameters. So let us check or talk about that two parameters in the comment section first. It will be f dot sick. Okay, and one of the parameter will be offset, and second parameter will be from where. What is the meaning of this here? It is nothing but, if it is offset, it represent number of position. Okay, and second parameter is actually optional. If you want you can give, otherwise it is okay. But suppose you are giving, then you can give values in the form of three things only. 0, it can be 1, it can be 2. Now what is the meaning of 0? It indicates from where, means from beginning of file for 0, from current position for 1, and from end of file it will be 2. So let us check the we do not have any sample.txt file right now, but what we will do is we will write our file dummy 123.txt, and obviously we are opening that file first of all. And first of all we will check the current position using f.tell, and always starting position will be 0 always. Then we are assigning using f.sig, we are assigning the new position. Then again we will print current position first and new position till here. And then again we are changing the cursor position of that, and then again we are printing. If you want, we will remove this for right now actually. F5. Okay, see, just 1 minute. This f.tell function will give you the starting position or current position actually, and new position. Now your cursor is at which position? Number 30. Suppose if I again write this code, control S and F5. See, now your cursor is position is what? 12. So sick function, you can easily move your cursor position, and tell function will give you where your this what you can say uh, current position, because it will be always give you a 0 or something. So that is all about sick method in Python. Thank you.